Okay, so I'll be showing you heat. Guys, by the way, if you see me looking this way, that's just where my mirror is, so that I can see what I'm doing. Let me just adjust it a little bit. So I'm starting out on, wow, okay, so that's just gonna unravel like that. Starting out on freshly washed hair. Oh, God. Okay, yeah, freshly washed hair. I don't really rinse out my what do you call this? I don't normally rinse out my deep conditioners all the way because I really feel like they have some really good benefits and nutrients that I want to leave in there. So I'm gonna start with my moisture routine. So I'm gonna do liquid, cream, and oil. So that's how this process is gonna go. So basically what I'm gonna start with is I will re-wet my hair a little because at this point it's still pretty wet. So just a little bit of spritzation. So in the spritzer I pretty much have aloe vera juice, water, and some oils. Usually I put in a penetrating oil, and then I also go in with some essential oils. And they're usually, I mean, if you've been watching our videos at this point, I use the same oils over and over, and those are rosemary, peppermint, and tea tree. So I pretty much just take, I don't want too much oil, so I'm taking this much oil, and then I pretty much just apply from the ends and then I massage it in. So that's, yeah, that's how this goes. And then make sure you get your baby hair when it comes to moisturizing. I feel like sometimes I forget that, and by sometimes I mean a lot. And then we're just gonna detangle one more time. So I've already detangled when I applied my deep conditioner. That's where this comb is just gliding through. And then after that, we just twist. So I'm gonna moisturize each section and then twist it up. And then let it air dry for some time. And then I'm gonna go in with my heat from my blow dryer. Yeah. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do now. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch this process. There are other videos that show my moisture routine, but I just want to show you guys again, so I'm just gonna fast forward this. So yes, just stay tuned. Done. Okay, so we're finally done. Moisture is in LOC method used. I used water, and then I used Shea Moisture's curl enhancing smoothie, and then I went in to seal all that with coconut oil. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this air dry for a little bit. I'll probably not let it air dry as much as I would like to because the sun is going, and if I want to record this video on good quality, I'm unfortunately not going to be able to wait long. So after that I'm just going to go in with the blow dryer. Yeah, that's the plan. So I'm going to let it air dry for a little bit, and then I'll be back to show you guys how I do the blow drying bit. So yeah. Okay, so we are back. This is not as dry as I'd like it to be, but we're going to work with it. So now I have air dried it, let's say 40% of the way. So the idea is that you take each section and you just lightly blow dry as it's twisted, and then I'm gonna go in with this baby and the hooded and the dryer. So I'm gonna go in with this and a dryer, and then I will lightly blow dry. So I like to call it a fake blow because it doesn't look as blown out. Okay, so here is what I'm gonna be using as my heat protectant. I got this GHD it's called the Curl and Hold Spray, but the hair salon lady said that it's also used as a heat protectant, so that's what I'm going to be using it for. I've used it a couple of times and it works really, really well. So yeah, this is my heat protectant. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera, and then I'll come back with the final results. Okay, so this is the final product, the final look. So this is what my hair looks like from the hashtag fake blowout. So this is what I call it. So this gives me a nice little, it just gives me so much volume. I normally also start styles on this because then I have good stretch on whatever style that I'm doing. So yeah, so today I just decided to show you guys. Please let me know if you try this. Till next time.